Up there is the Narikala. Narikala is a tower or castle that was built by the Persians when they took over Tfilisi area, and there's a church there next to it and a church on the other side across on both sides. So in this neighborhood also is a Otashka. In this area also is a Otashka, which is a place of fire worship, in other words Zoroastrian worship, along this hillside here. Inside is very dark, but many pictures of Jesus and the cross, obviously of Saint Nicholas, the wonder worker. In the church of Saint Nicholas, went inside. You're not allowed to take pictures inside. So observed a priest chanting a prayer for two guys, and they're on their knees from a book he was chanting from. After the prayer, one man started chanting himself, and then they moved in closer, the priest did, towards the picture of Mary and Jesus. Inside interior is very beautiful, a lot of pictures. Inside this beautiful church, Saint Nicholas the miracle worker, but very dark, and but a lot of depictions of Jesus and the cross. The walls looking out over the river on that side. Actually inside it's not so helpful. They have a bunch of mountains, or at least hillside inside the castle. So it would be more of a lookout. Looked like something was built on top there in the former days. Even on the walls there. Different layers, very similar to Byzantine type buildings, but the exterior is actually very similar to Samarkand and Bukhara, and some of the Persians and how they built some of their, I would think, 11th to 13th century buildings. Coming down the ramp from the church, exiting the castle wall here, right before you exit the wall, we're looking at the city and the river. And there's one section here, actually, there is a little cross of Jesus. From the perspective of the botanical garden right behind the Narikala castle, you see the church up there, St. Nicholas's Church. You see another cross on the far left. But down below, you actually see two structures. They both look very Byzantine. And the one on the right especially looks like a water tower that the Ottomans built near Sultan Ahmet. Very similar structure. And it could be possibly part of the wall structure, or maybe it was a well there. But these two items in the back show some interesting structures from that time period.